Hi everyone, I'm Emma Allen and today I'm going to be talking about internet safety. Internet safety has become a fundamental topic of conversation in our digital world, especially among today's youth. While the internet is an amazing way for students to collaborate with others online, threatening occurrences such as online predators, sexual solicitation, and identity theft make the digital world a scary and dangerous place. Studies show that teens who are psychologically vulnerable tend to take more risks online because they're seeking out reassurance, friendship, or acceptance. So, how do we fight these threats? The answer is practicing internet safety. According to scholastic.com, there are 5 important internet safety tips that people of all ages can benefit from remembering. The first is to keep it real. It sounds cheesy, but being yourself, treating others with respect, and being honest will help minimize your chances of being harassed online. Tip number 2 is to protect your passwords. Never even share them with friends or repeat them, and make them something that no one else could guess. Tips 3 and 4 are to post with caution and keep it clean, especially refrain from discussing sex or sending sexual pictures. This can lead to online stalking and blackmail. The final step is to never meet online friends offline alone. A person who seems very nice online can prove to be dangerous in the real world, so be smart about who you're deciding to meet up with. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot about internet safety from this video. Enjoy your day!